Thrive diet is a fad diet verdict, false. The Thrive diet, developed by Dr. Shawn Baker and popularized by various health influencers, is often misconstrued as a fad diet due to its high-fat, low-carb focus. However, it's based on scientific research, including the works of Weston A. Price 1870148, and Drive. Robert C. Atkins 192020003, who advocated for low-carb diets. 1. Familiarize yourself with the Thrive diet principles. 2. Research the scientific evidence supporting low-carb diets. 3. Consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Dr. Shawn Baker's personal success story and thousands of testimonials online demonstrate the effectiveness of the Thrive diet. The Thrive diet is not a fad but a scientifically grounded approach to nutrition. Thrive diet promotes unhealthy levels of animal protein consumption false, while the Thrive diet encourages high protein intake from animal sources. It does not advocate for unhealthy consumption levels. The diet emphasizes grass-fed, pasture-raised meats, which are leaner and contain fewer harmful fats compared to conventionally raised alternatives. 1. Choose high-quality animal protein sources. 2. Balance your protein intake with healthy fats and vegetables. 3. Consult a nutritionist for personalized advice. A balanced Thrive diet meal might include grass-fed steak, avocado, and leafy greens. The Thrive diet promotes quality over quantity when it comes to animal protein consumption. Thrive diet encourages unsustainable food choices false. The Thrive diet encourages sustainable food choices by emphasizing locally sourced, organic, and grass-fed options whenever possible. This approach reduces the carbon footprint associated with industrial agriculture and factory farming. 1. Support local farmers and organic markets. 2. Choose sustainably sourced animal products. 3. Reduce food waste through careful meal planning and proper storage. By choosing locally sourced, pasture-raised meats, you support small farms and reduce your carbon footprint. The Thrive diet promotes sustainable food choices that benefit both the environment and your health. Thrive diet is lacking in nutrients false. The Thrive diet provides a wide range of nutrients through its emphasis on vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, and high-quality animal proteins. While some nutrients like fiber and certain vitamins may be lower than in vegetarian or vegan diets, they can still be obtained from supplements or other food sources. 1. Incorporate a variety of vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats into your diet. 2. Consult a healthcare professional about potential nutrient deficiencies and appropriate supplementation. 3. Stay informed about the latest research on nutrition and health. A day on the Thrive diet might include spinach, avocado, salmon, and berries, providing essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. The Thrive diet provides a balanced and nutrient-dense diet when followed properly. Thrive diet is dangerous for people with certain medical conditions. Partially true. While the Thrive diet can be beneficial for many individuals, it may not be suitable for those with certain medical conditions, such as kidney disease or high cholesterol. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet, especially if you have pre-existing health issues. The Thrive diet has been gaining popularity in recent years due to its high-fat, low-carb focus, and promising results for weight loss and overall health. However, many misconceptions surround this diet, leading some to dismiss it as a fad or potentially harmful. In this article, we debunk 7 common myths about the Thrive diet and provide actionable steps towards understanding and implementing this nutritional approach. Why it matters. Understanding the truth behind the Thrive diet can help you make informed decisions about your dietary choices, leading to improved health outcomes and a better quality of life. By debunking myths and providing clear guidance on how to follow the diet safely and effectively, this article aims to empower readers to take control of their nutrition and optimize their health. Table of Contents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mini Case Study 9. Common Misconceptions Pitfalls 10. Recap 13. FAQ 14. CTA Thrive diet causes high cholesterol levels. False. Contrary to popular belief, the Thrive diet does not necessarily lead to high cholesterol levels. In fact, many individuals following this diet experience improved cholesterol profiles due to the emphasis on healthy fats and reduced carbohydrate intake. However, it's essential to monitor your cholesterol levels regularly and consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns. 1. Get regular cholesterol tests. 2. Choose healthy fats such as olive oil, avocados, and nuts. 3. Limit processed and high